Hi everyone, Darko here, lead coach, Darko's Day Trading Academy, Coach's Corner. First of all, I want to apologize for not producing any videos lately. I've been so busy with my paying clients, and also, the market has been very iffy lately. So, my full focus has been focusing on the market and on my clients. So before I even start with today's session, feel free to listen to our podcast episodes. Everything you need to know about trading is there. I also, just for some week ago, start being more active on LinkedIn, so feel free to add me there as well if you so wish. Just search for my name and you should be able to find me. So in today's video, I'm actually trying something new, okay? Instead of showing you what happened in the past, I will show you what I'm looking for in the future. As you all know, I'm a big fan of backtesting. So I've been backtesting for decades, okay, or at least more than a decade, and I have been seeing a pattern, or at least something that is recurring and occurring in the market very frequently. And the steps are very simple. And what I look for is a weekly and a daily identical neckline, or just a weekly level. It needs to be a significant neckline, okay? And then I look for a daily candle action that is closing beyond that level in a very specific way. And then I look for my hourly pattern, okay? So before I even show you a live trade, I want to show you an example of what I mean, okay? Would you say this is a significant neckline on a week? This is your weekly chart. This is monthly, weekly, daily, and hourly, okay? So I would say yes, this is a significant neckline the way we identify necklines. And this level is also identical with the daily, okay? And I see that price breached that level deep enough to use as a natural stop, and then the daily candle closes very, very bullish. In this case, obviously the opposite for shorting. I will show you one shorting example as well. And now this is where that happens, okay? Price is breaching that level deep enough to use as a natural stop where I have my cursor, and then we close very bullish. So this becomes a pending order with a low stop loss, okay? And this is one of my patterns. It's ACAT, and it's also a set and forget, okay? And it's also a swing break. So let's go to the next one that is actually showing you a shorting opportunity. This is on dollar index. Would you say that this is a significant neckline? Yes, it is. And this happens to be identical with the daily. And then I wait for price to breach that level on a daily chart, and then in this case close very, very bullish. Would you agree that this candle is 100% bearish on dollar index? Well, then I go to my hourly chart, and I see that price is breaching that level deep enough to use as a natural stop, and then we convincingly reestablish. And this is ACAT and set and forget. We have some background space. This would be the entry with the high stop loss. And obviously dollar index, what we do is that when a trade occur on dollar index, we will take the opposite side on euro US dollar, because we don't trade euro US dollar unless the dollar index gives us a buy or a sell signal, okay? Now when I showed you two examples to illustrate what I meant by those simple rules or steps, 3 steps, no more no less, okay? Let me show you a live trade, okay? This is euro Swissy, okay? Would you agree that this level in here is a significant neckline? Well, if this is not a significant neckline, I'm not sure what is. Look what happened, okay? Is this also, this is actually a triple neckline only on a weekly chart. That's only on a weekly chart. So let's go and see if that's also a significant neckline, sorry, an identical neckline with the daily. Well, we have, this is the daily chart. This is identical with the daily, but if we go back to the 25th of November 2019, let's see if price were identical there. Yes, okay. So now we have met, rule number 1. Let me just show you the rules again. Just give me 1 sec. Sorry about that. I happened to close the note here. So weekly and daily identical neckline, or just a weekly? Well, step number 1 is done. The next step is daily candle action, and then an hourly pattern, okay? So do we have a daily candle closing above that level? Well, price breached this level deep enough to use as a natural stop. To be very safe on this trade, the stop loss should be going down in here, and then we very closely, we closed convincingly above that level. There's no doubt in anyone's mind that this is a bullish candle action, and we also closed above that level. So this is the safest way to trade with this natural stop. There is also another stop loss placement which is a bit, more shallow. So whatever you use, you need to adjust your lot size so you are not risking more than 0.5% of your account. So this will be a pending order. This is a pending order. Let me actually show you the screenshot of the pending order. Just give me one sec. So this is the actual screenshot that I'm actually showing to my paying clients. These are the screenshots that I'm taking. I'm showing them where to enter, where to put the stop loss, and there are, like I said, two ways of trading this, with like more the shallow stop loss, or you use the deeper stop loss. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go back to Euro Swissy. So when did this trade gets cancelled? Well, in this specific case, we have obviously rules for everything, as objective as possible. In this case, I would cancel this trade if this pair hits a weekly opposing level. The first opposing level that that means something is this one in here. Okay, let me just make this bigger. You see that this was a bullish candle, and this bearish institutional candle, like high intense candle, the size of it diverged from many of the candles before. So this is the first level that I will consider as an opposing level. There's actually one more thing that could make this trade cancel. This is Swedish time, so this, you have to convert this into your time depending where you live in the world. By New York Open, there is a red flag news on US dollar. So the red flag news on US dollar will affect everything with US dollar in it, with euro in it, and with Swissy in it. And this is Euro Swissy, so this will be affected very, very much. So we will cancel this trade before the red flag news, and depending how the red flag news turns out, we might be reactivating that this pending order. Okay, and also if the weekly candle closes very bullish without hitting any opposing levels, then this signal becomes even stronger. Okay, so this is a pending order. Let's see how things goes. A stage 1-2 trader, they will judge a trade by its outcome. So that means if this becomes a full loss or a reduced loss, because we are trade managing also, or then they will say this was completely useless. Okay, this guy just made a complete fool of himself in front of the entire world. That's how you think if you are a stage 1-2 trader. And obviously if this comes down and goes up like 100, 200, 300 pips, and by the way, the targets that I will be watching is this level in here, which is a monthly and weekly, like a super level. Okay, and then if this price comes down, hits this level, and then hits target, oh geez, this guy is a hero, wow, how could you see this? Well, I have no idea. This could become a full loss, a reduced win, a full win. We trade manage along the way I teach. So this is only like showing you a trade, how I identify those, and then we have rules for cancellations, we have rules for how to trade manage, money manage, how to take profit, how you trail your stop loss, everything. And obviously this video will be much longer. I won't make this like very, very short. It's already too long. So hope you like this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, so I will be encouraged to do more of these. Yeah, thank you so much for listening. I wish you a fantastic weekend. Until next time, stay safe and take care. Cheers.